Hello, everyone. My name is Haley Force, and I'm going to be presenting adolescence and social media for the IdeaFolio project. So let's get into it. So what is social media? According to Investopedia, social media is a computer-based technology that facilitates the sharing and ideas of information and the building of virtual networks and communities. It is internet-based and offers users easy electronic communication of personal information and other content like videos and photos. So a few great examples of social media is Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Tumblr, LinkedIn, YouTube, Google+. So you definitely need technology to support social media. A great quote by Eric Quillman. He is a motivational speaker and an author. He also talks a lot on social media and the benefits it has in today's society. So he said, we don't have a choice on whether we do social media. The question is how we do it, which I think is perfect for the subject matter. So according to the World Health Organization, also acronym is WHO, adolescence is the ages 10 to 19. Social media impacts the students at a very young age, so why not introduce it into the school setting now? So here I brought several ways that you can, educators can use social media into their school setting now. There's a few that, so this one that you could probably use at an older age. Just because like college admissions, a 11-year-old might not need that profile yet, but colleges like to look at it. Future bosses will look at your profiles. Learning how to research properly. This is great for any age they would want to learn how to research properly. Same with like the social credibility, starting to kind of improve your social networking early on. That way it helps in the future. So network among students. This is great with blogs between people across the country, people across the world. So working smarter among teachers. So you don't have to ask your teacher every question. You can look it up on your own because you have the access to social media to figure it out. Connect with experts. This is great when you want to research experts and ask them personal questions because they're pretty easy to access on Twitter. And then releasing amazing work. This also kind of brings back up to networks among students. You can connect with students by from your teacher releasing your work. So here's a few ways, examples that we can use social media to do research. So here I have NASA. So we can obviously research what is happening with NASA along with CNN News and then Fox News. You can follow your president. You can, over here it says like Hubble. So it's just great to be like, hey, I want to research this person. So also I have the Instagram right here. I have it clicked up over here. I had it on social media, but I typed in modern technology. That way you can see modern stuff that's happening, like super cool videos. And then lastly, Google Plus. There's great articles on children, on anything. And then also it is also kind of a place that teachers can post the works of their students. So head back over here. And then I'm going to go over here. So as the article that we had in class, promoting policy for safe and innovative social networking use in schools, social networking tools offer the potential to support knowledge creation through collaborative interactions by anyone from anywhere as long as they have access. So with access, 45% of teens say they're online almost constantly. So if 45% of those teens are online, how can we as future educators help them to learn how to research topics that are important in today and also important for their school assignments and posting awesome things online? So The tool of using social media in school setting is already showing impact today by the students researching, gaining knowledge, and connecting with those around the world.